Well, we made it through that storm in good shape. Cows all look good this morning. They ate through a lot more hay than I anticipated, so we've got more cold weather to come, so unfortunately we'll have to put out more hay, but overall the herd looks good. All the young calves look great. These animals are super resilient. They can withstand a lot of cold weather for sure. The breed that we have are more geared towards hot summers and bred to handle heat better, but they can withstand some cold too. You just got to make sure they have enough hay in their belly. That's what generates the heat, and they go through it in this cold weather. But overall, what a great day. This is what ranching is all about, folks. Never a day off. Cattle are gonna need water, and we'll just have to chop a little square in the ice. This storm didn't end up being as bad as we anticipated. We didn't lose power. Electric stayed on. Dealt with some really cold temperatures. So I'm glad we prepared, probably over prepared, but that's good. You never know how bad it's going to get. But for Oklahoma, it's bad. But extra work, it's a pain. Working in this cold weather and ice is just makes this job really a lot harder. Man, I really have respect for our folks up north that deal with this every day. Just part of the job. Comes with the territory. One thing that worked really good was our little huts for our hogs. They never got out of there, and they were very cozy in there. They enjoyed that hay and a good barrier and a good wind block. So these worked out great. See him sleeping in there, very comfortable. They'll get nervous if you spook them. The snow creates some challenges feeding, so I had to clear a path here where I could get some of our feed on the ground, get something in them. But yeah,